Hi besties, welcome back to my space. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make this boho barrel less closure braided wig with triangular pattern. I'm going to show you guys how to do everything step by step. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to join the family, kindly do so. So guys, in this process, I already showed you guys how to cut your extension, how to prep your extension, okay? Like I say, this is step by step. These are the steps that I already uploaded video on, how to sew down your lace closure. So now that we are done sewing down the lace closure, let's move on to the next step, which is how to mark your guidelines. If you miss any of these steps, kindly check back the last video that I uploaded. That's the step-by-step everything from A to Z. Now let's go ahead and give guideline for our crochet wig. You might ask, what's the importance of this marking? The importance of this marking is that it will make your lace wig to be very full, your closure crochet lace wig to be very full. If you want your wig to be very full, you need to do this. So this is me marking out 1 inch after another, 1 inch after another till I get to where the closure is. Now instead of marking 1, I am going to be marking half, just close to where the lace closure is. Okay, so guys, this is simple to do. Just use your measuring tape, place it the way you see me do. Go ahead and mark 1 inch, and when you get close to the where you sew down your lace closure, you give it half inch. So when you are done, just use your metallic pen or anything you're using for your demarcation to mark it round. Okay, just mark it round. This is very important. Okay, if you want to have that, so if you want your lace wig to be very full, you need to do this. This also goes for when you are making your hair, like when you are wigging with hair. This guideline marking is also important, not just for crochet wigs. So guys, if you miss any of these steps, starting from the cutting of extension, the prepping, the sewing down of closure, check back the last 3 videos I uploaded. That's every step one after another. So this one, we are trying to give our guidelines which will help us to get a very full and beautiful barrel less braided wig with boho. Like, it's going to have coils, triangular shape. If you don't know how to part your triangular patterns, then stick with me to the end of this episode so that you don't miss any part. But I'm going to show you guys how to easily do your triangular pattern. So guys, this is it when I am done. So guys, I'll be dropping the link to all these steps, the videos of all these steps in the description of this particular one. Do wait to check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next step. Bye. Do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, share with your family and friends. Bye.